Welcome to my channel. Today we know some question answer of Islamic. So let's start. Who was the first person who accepted Islam among men? The answer is Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu. The second question, who was the first person who accepted Islam among women? The answer is Khadija. Next question, who was the first person who accepted Islam among boys? The answer is Abi Talib. Next question, which was the first battle of Islam? The answer is the Battle of Badr. Next question, who was the first martyr in Islam from men? The answer is Haris. Next question, who was the first martyr in Islam from women? The answer is Sumaya. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.